Walking in Central Park, feeling the rolling waves of a frisbee, underneath the sounds of baseball and laughter, memories are shivering in my thoughts. They are not bridges to the past, but to the future. That's how the prophecy works. If they are deep enough, they will reach the future far enough. We're all children of changes. Changes are not linear. Only when looking back do the turns make sense. Stepping on the fields, walking on the race at dawn, feeling the pulsation of earth under our feet. Nothing will change you. Everything reveals you. And one day, looking back, you won't find what you left behind. That familiar feeling of the rolling waves of a frisbee, baseball, and laughter remain the same.